We're going to look at a few microphone options for recording audio onto a mobile device. I'm using the iPad for my mobile device, and I've got a few tools here to help me record audio. The first audio that I'm recording is the microphone built into the iPad. But first I needed to buy some adapters in order to record using a microphone. So the first adapter I purchased was the Lightning to the USB adapter. This allows me to plug in any USB microphone. I'm also using microphones that have XLR, professional cable, so I needed to buy an adapter for that cable. What I have is I have an XLR female to a USB mini, and then that USB mini cable goes to the USB. So that way I can plug in the USB into the Lightning adapter. One other thing that I can use with the XLR cable is an extension. Let's start with the adapter, the Lightning to USB, and I'm going to connect my mini USB to this adapter, and then connect the USB. Now I'm going to connect this to the side of the iPad. So now I have my handheld microphone plugged in through the XLR adapter and through the USB to Lightning adapter. Next I'm going to show you, demonstrate the wireless microphone. I have a transmitter and a receiver. This is a transmitter. It actually is connected to your Talent and has a lavalier clip attached to it. And then the receiver receives the signal and brings it into the iPad. I have an adapter on here that goes from the XLR to the mini USB, and the mini USB goes into the Lightning adapter. And next I'm going to demonstrate the tabletop. The Blue Snowball microphone is attached through the USB adapter to the Lightning. And this is the way this one sounds compared to the tabletop and the wireless microphone.